Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can clone yourself in a video in Capcut. It's super simple to do, so let's get started. So first and foremost, now like the background remover, you have to pay for it, but I'm just going to basically use green screen instead. I actually don't know if it's still the same, but the background color is still the same anyways, so I can still just mask it. Let me just adjust the background real quick. So here, I can still use chroma key. So I'm just going to select the color picker and I'm just going to select the background. If I can just do that. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to adjust the intensity a little bit. Then I'm just going to layer this on top of the other video, basically. Actually, this one should go behind that. Hold on. There we go. Place that one on top. I'm just going to place that like on the side here. So that's pretty much how you can clone yourself. It's that simple. I don't know like what else to tell you. But yeah, you can just remove background or use green screen. If you want a different background, you can choose to do that as well. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.